Welcome to Coding Oak. I'm going to show you a Chrome extension that I made. Now this Chrome extension is a tool to help you use GitHub. Let's say there's a substring in a GitHub repository online on github.com that you really want to find. So let's look at this repository for example. You can see of course this has all sorts of text substring that we might want to search. So this extension can go through any file on your GitHub repo and search for a substring you want. So let's say I want to find this substring here, right? So we go over to our Chrome extension called GitHub String Search and we paste it in. Then we submit and it found it here. It finds it in this file called app/types/types. That's this file here. And it gives us the commit hash, and we can even click here. And I'm going to move this to a new window. It popped it out to a different window. Alright, we see it here. So yeah. So you could do that. You search for your substring, you get the commit hash, you can click to go to the actual commit. Now, it's not just that this thing searches for substrings in your GitHub repo files, it searches through all the commit history. So this is not something that just simply scrapes the front page of your repository and looks for substrings. It goes through your entire commit history. Right, so if we have a commit history here, see all these commits, and this thing is capable of going through all those commits and finding that text. See, it just found that text. So yeah, if you think this is a tool that you'll really like, if you really want to use like some sort of Chrome extension to help you find a substring on GitHub, yeah, check this out. I'll include a link in the description.